This demonstration will show you how to use your credit card transaction register for Google Sheets to keep track of your expenses. After making a copy of your blank sheet, you will first enter your credit card name, credit limit, interest rate, and starting balance in the upper left corner. Then, in the upper right corner, double-click in each box to enter the current month and year, statement closing day, and payment due day from the drop-down calendar. Scroll down to the main section to enter transactions. Note, your starting balance from the top automatically transferred to the first line for the starting balance. If you owe a balance on your credit card, it will be shown in red in the running balance column. Also, entries for charges and fees will be red, and payments will be green. In the next row, double-click in the date column to choose your date from the drop-down calendar, then click in the next column and enter your transaction, then click in the appropriate column to enter a charge, fee, or payment. If your charge is an automatic payment, click the box in the AP column. The boxes in the CLR column should be clicked when your transactions clear the bank. Note that all of the gray sections are automatically calculated, so there's no need to get out a calculator to add or subtract. Columns are totaled at the bottom of the page and automatically carried to the top of the page to the boxes for total charges, total fees, and total payments. Please do not type into any gray areas, or add or delete columns because this will break the calculation formulas. Pro tip, you can freeze the sheet below the column header row by dragging the horizontal gray line from the top left corner box, so it remains in place as you move down to enter transactions. When you completely fill in the first page of transactions, the running balance will carry over to page 2. I included a page break between the two pages so they will print out properly if you want to save a paper copy or PDF. Since this is a Google Sheet, it is accessible from your computer, tablet or mobile phone, as long as you have internet and a Google account. I hope this demonstration was helpful. If you would like to purchase this credit card transaction register for Google Sheets from my Etsy shop, L Melton Designs, see the link below in the description. Thank you for watching.